Hello there guys, what is up? Okay, on today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make money from a Naira site, from a site where you do tax and you get paid. Either you watch a YouTube video, or you like a Facebook post, or you sign up on a platform, or you download an app. So let me go ahead and open the platform on my browser. The name of the platform is called Naira Workers. So I'll be dropping the link in the description which you use to sign up. Okay, as you can see here, they say hire many random workers. Okay, I'll be doing a video on that one, but not today. I'll be talking about this one today. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video, because you really benefit. That's the method I've been using to make a lot of money from this site, from this Naira Workers. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. Okay, all right guys, so they say you can also perform simple tax, small tax. So let's go to the tax. Let's see the tax. As you can see guys, there are tons of work here for you to do. Yes, it's kind of stressful, but this site is very legitimate. You get paid for your work and no one will scam you here. Like the site is legit. So as you can see, there are tons of job here. Instagram follower, this one, let's see how this one is. So you see how easy it is. So look at what is expected from worker. You follow this person now on his Instagram account. Now there you have to submit proof that you have followed him on Instagram. So what is the proof? They say your username that you use on Instagram, and they say don't forget unfollow after payment to avoid dispute. So you don't unfollow again after payment, as they say. So you follow them, then when they see that you have followed them, you will now be paid. So guys, that's it. And if the person doesn't pay you, make sure you go and follow him, so you won't have free follower like that. So yeah, this one is to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So there are tons of work, tons of sites here. There are so many sites here, so many guys. There are so many sites here, so many jobs here. There are so many jobs here guys. So you can do any of them here and you'll be paid accordingly. There are so many of them. This one is you have to join group channel after completion of tax to win 10 gig. And again, some of the job, they also have their own benefit if you perform them. Maybe like for example, they tell you to sign up in a particular platform, and when you sign up, that platform will be giving you a certain amount as a reward for being a new user. You can benefit from that and also benefit from the user. So you can see guys, there are tons of sites here. There are tons of work for you to do to earn money. Just do exactly as they are saying. You sign up. Some will say sign up and verify and do KYC. So you do that so you receive the money. So you can see this one is paying 90 naira. So you can see this one is paying 82.20 naira. If you calculate all of this, I believe in a day, if you do them, you can be earning 300 naira in a day, and maybe it can take you up to 3 hours of steady working to be doing this tax. Then in a day you can earn 300 naira. If you want to calculate 300 naira times 30 days, you can do more depending on how free you are. You can do more and earn even more than the 9,000 you earn. If you be earning 300 naira a day, you can do more tax, so you can earn more money at the end of the month. It mustn't be at the end of the month for a withdraw, but this time I calculate earnings. I like calculating it by monthly, because instead of you to work and get paid the same amount, you just sit at home, use your phone and do some things, and it will give you that same amount. So you can do your own calculation. You can see time, calculate how much you gonna earn per day and how much it will be at the end of the month. If you times it by 30 or 31 days and see how much it be. So if you maybe set your target to be 300 naira, in a day. That means you'll be earning 9,000 naira at the end of the month. So guys, you can see there are lots of benefits on this platform. So just go ahead, check the tasks that you'll be able to do, perform it, submit your proof, and you receive your money accordingly. So there are so many, as you can see. It will still load more again. Look, there are so many tasks here, guys. There are so many jobs here. There are so many jobs here on this platform. So many, guys. There are so many jobs here which you can do to make money. So it can be any 500, 1,000 naira self, depending on how fast you are on performing tasks, and how um how selective you are. You rather pick tasks that are paying 36, 35, all these huge amount of money, so you can earn that 500 naira in a day. You want to times it by 31 days, that's 15,500. You can see, by just using your smartphone. So guys, next thing we're gonna do is check the withdrawal. What is the minimum amount for withdrawing on this platform? What is the minimum amount we can withdraw from this platform? So I click on wallet. Okay guys, as you can see, you can withdraw your earnings when you earn over 1,999, and withdrawals are processed every Friday. So you can see every week you can be withdrawing your money. Every week, it mustn't be at the end of the month. Every week you can be withdrawing your money. You see how good it is. So you definitely benefit a lot from this platform, guys. Important notice, guys. On my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to make up to 10,000 naira using this platform. We'll do something called affiliate marketing, which it will be easy using this method I'll show you. So subscribe to my channel so you won't miss that video. I'll make it well understandable, and also like this video too.